Pasco, Washington. She showed up uninvited and started snooping around. Temple, Texas. Tried her luck with the door, but no success.
Oh, it looks open because there's a wooden frame and it's fully glass. But it's fully locked.
Chico, California. When you want to decorate, but don't want to pay. Morgantown, West Virginia. First he takes the camera, then he shows up later. Strange move. Santa Fe, New Mexico. These teenagers tried to open this door a few minutes earlier, but quickly left. Fast hands, quick steal, package gone. Ocala, Florida. He played delivery driver, but only came to steal. Billings, Montana. He marked it delivered, but kept the meal for himself. Athens, Georgia. A strange fan and an even stranger way to charge it. Fargo, North Dakota. She checked everything out, then left empty-handed. Kennewick, Washington. Not just trespassing the property, also leaving a little hello. Lawton, Oklahoma. This man decided to steal a package with a whole e-bike in it and quickly left. Kalamazoo, Michigan. This isn't porch piracy anymore. This is a whole new level. Carson City, Nevada. A package that size needs teamwork, apparently. Bowling Green, Kentucky. Two men caught on camera just before breaking into the house. Nothing subtle about cycling away on a stolen bike. Appleton, Wisconsin. Nothing good starts with a midnight doorbell. Rapid City, South Dakota. He must have really hated mosquitoes because he stole a bug zapper. Cape Coral, Florida. Whatever he was on, it wasn't good. Don't answer the door. even went on to steal a scooter and a suitcase. Merced, California, claiming a package never came, while the owner was right there. Albany, Oregon. All that sneaking, and she still walked away empty-handed. Hagerstown, Maryland. She really walked off with a whole bike trailer for children. Gulf Shores, Alabama. Thankfully, the lock did its job this time. Bozeman, Montana. Random house, random doorbell, then just standing there. Binghamton, New York. No shame trying doors when the sun's out. Norman, Oklahoma. He couldn't believe his luck when the door actually opened. Napa, California. Stealing slowly, as if the bags were hers to begin with. Grand Junction, Colorado. She strolled the neighborhood testing random doors. St. Cloud, Minnesota. No shame, no rush, just walking away with a trailer he stole. Macon, Georgia. Barely stopped moving before the package was gone.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Duluth, Minnesota, took a break right on someone else's porch steps. Reno, Nevada. He took a quick peek but found nothing interesting. Rock Hill, South Carolina. One more reason to double-check your locks. Topeka, Kansas. Even the thief doesn't know his own plan. He left and came back like 3 times. New Bern, North Carolina. This guy was definitely up to something, but luckily, he quickly left. Springfield, Ohio. Good to see more people use Ring doorbells nowadays.
You gotta put our numbers up.
I know, but I gotta build something that's gonna cover this bracket. They're bigger.
Yakima, Washington. Guess one man's trash really is another man's treasure. Charlottesville, Virginia. Some people steal, others just waste your time.
Hey, what do you want? Stop coming to my house or I'm going to call the cops on you. Yeah, I'm calling the cops on you. I have a picture of you.
Fort Smith, Arkansas. One more reminder. Unlocked cars attract thieves. Chicopee, Massachusetts. Took a look at the package but didn't take it. Green Bay, Wisconsin. Stealing a flag off someone's porch. That's really low. Pocatello, Idaho. Guess he was ready for bedtime anywhere. Clarksville, Tennessee. Tried the car door, but thankfully it was locked. Santa Rosa, California. Strange visit, looking for a woman at the wrong house.
Hello, can I help?
Yeah, who lives here?
My name's Scott.
Are you a man or a female?
Male, why you ask?
Oh, I'll pass. No worries. I'm trying to find a female.
No.
Wilmington, Delaware. Came in, did nothing, and left just as quick. Sioux City, Iowa. Just missed them in the act. A few seconds earlier and they'd be caught.
Where'd they run off to? They better not be by Scott.
One more reason to double check those car doors. Medford, Oregon. Definitely not sober. And thankfully, nobody answered. Odessa, Texas. Busted from every angle while taking that bike.